Hey Harper's Bazaar, this is Devyn Garcia and this is my model off-duty curls. I'm gonna show you my model off-duty, simple, no heat, natural, curly, wavy hairdo. Step 1, we're gonna take out the hair after the shoot we just did. Lots of pins in here, a really tight pony. Now ideally I would take a shower, but we don't have time for that today. So we're gonna work with what we got. And I'm gonna show you my secret ingredient to my little water spray I do on my hair. This guy is a lifesaver. Just sprays water. So we're gonna fill him up. Now, my secret ingredient that I put into here is dun, 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 salt. I grew up in Miami and I went to the beach all the time, and the salt water just really does it for me. It makes my hair, gives it a nice wave, a nice texture, and it stays like that all day pretty much. Give it a little shake. And then you're gonna start spraying. Well, this goes everywhere. Okay, now she's nice and a little wet, not soaking, not dripping, but okay, actually I lied to you guys. I said there's no heat because usually I'll do no heat, but since we're in a rush, we're gonna bring out the diffuser, okay? But first, let's add in a little leave-in. I usually work with what I have, either leave-in or a hair oil, and today I have Raua. I use their shampoo and conditioner as well, and I really like them. And you start scrunching into your hair, especially the ends. A little bit at the top. Let's add a little. Okay. Now time to diffuse. I try not to leave it on my hair too long, you know, for heat damage, but try to put all your styling tools on lowest heat possible if you can. I know if you have really thick hair, it's almost impossible to straighten or iron your hair when it's super low, but especially the hair dryer. I know it'll take a little longer, but it'll be better in the end for your hair. Back to all natural. That's pretty much the final product. A little wave, a little salty vibes from the beach spray. All right, I'm all ready to go. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.